do you work?
Okay. Finish contract.
Huh?
Finish contract.
Finish contract?
Yes.
What kind of job?
First year high school.
First year high school.
Nagpapalaga uniform. Having finished contract. During the year. 4 years.
So how long have you been staying in this park?
More than weeks.
Huh?
More than weeks.
What is it?
Ibig sabihin na ibig sabihin ko.
1 week?
Oo, parang parito. Isa parang parito.
No, I met you before. Almost 1 year.
Oo.
And now you here again.
Yes.
Talk to this guy.
Oo. Okay
This
lang
guy is
yan.
good.
English.
Man.
Sorry.
You are going to Oman. You are going to abroad. This guy is going abroad.
Yeah, sir.
Oh, yes.
Talk to this guy. Teach some English.
Hindi. Tagalog ako magsalita.
Hi.
Oo. Subject namin English.
Hi, English.
Ayan.
Happy days.
Teach me how to speak English.
Oo, Tagalog magsalita.
Tagalog. Okay. Tagalog naman pala. Kanina pa tayo isang English.
Hindi siya ng English ko yan. Tagalog pala.
Oo, Tagalog magsalita.
Naubusan na siya ng English.
Oo, daw.
English, ubos na.
Oo.
English, ubos na.
English class.
Yes, 91 average ko.
Oh, 91 daw.
You see, man?
Yeah.
Kaya ng kuya.
He has a high average in English.
91 average ko.
91.1.
Yes.
Good, ah?
Oo.
Man, talk to my friend.
Okay kuya, ubos na English ko eh. Wala ko may bababot sa'yo.
91.1 average score. Department Education card. Section 1 niya kay Rosario National High School.
Daw.
91.1. Average score.
Man, my friend, he's filming you.
Oo, yes.
Say hi to his vlog.
Yes, hi.
English
Hi,
yun.
English. Say hi.
Hi.
Talk to his,
Ako kaklase mo.
Okay na.
Tagalog magsalita.
Salat, man.
Okay na. Medyo magaling English kuya. Ayoko na. Finish na ako.
Okay, salamat.
Man, cut.